Have you ever ride a motorcycle and feel that you're being pushed back while you're speeding? Or you may have experienced a roller coaster ride and you feel that the wind is pushing you back? That push is actually a fluid mechanics phenomenon called drag force. Drag force is basically a resistance from fluid when an object is moving through it. In this experiment, we will observe the effect of wind speed towards the drag force. First, we need 3 sheets of transparent acrylic sheets, size 15 cm x 25 cm. These will be used to build the wind tunnel. We also need 1 set of stand, 2 sets of clamp, 1 piece of toy car as the object to be tested, plastic rope, 1 unit of digital anemometer to measure the wind speed, 1 piece of rubber band as the tool to measure the drag force, 1 piece of plastic ruler, 1 unit of spring Newton meter. In this case, I used the 10 Newton, 1 set of glue gun to assemble the wind tunnel, 1 unit of electric hand pump as one of the sources for the wind, and finally 1 unit of compressor as another source of wind. First, build the wind tunnel by joining the 3 acrylic sheets using a glue gun to form a tunnel. Next, attach the stand to the base so that it is actually standing straight. Attach one of the clamp connectors at the top part of the stand. And attach the other connector to the bottom part of the stand. Now take the toy car and tie the plastic rope onto it. Now take one of the clamps, loosen up the screw so that the claw will eventually become wider. Now take the end of that rope attached to the car and let it pass through the metal part of the clamp. Now attach that clamp at the bottom connector. Make sure to tighten the screw very tightly so that it doesn't move. Now take the rubber band, tie the other end of the rope to the rubber band. Now take the other clamp, hang the rubber band into that clamp, and then attach the clamp at the top connector. Tighten the screw, make sure that the clamp doesn't move. And finally, position the wind tunnel so that the car is inside the tunnel. To demonstrate the effect of wind velocity towards drag force, 3 different wind velocities are used. First, the electric wind pump will be used to provide for the low-speed wind, while the compressor is used to provide the medium and high-speed wind. It will be adjusted by adjusting the nozzle. So first, I will measure the wind velocity first. To do so, I will place the anemometer right in front of the car when the wind is blowing. This is to make sure that the wind that is measured by the anemometer is similar to the wind that will hit the car. Then for the drag force, I will measure the drag force by measuring the displacement of the rubber using a plastic ruler. Later on, the displacement of the rubber will be correlated to the force by its rubber stiffness. As a disclaimer, for the following experiments, I received assistance from my mother to hold the electric pump and the compressor nozzle in place. For the experiment result, it will be in a separate video. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a great day.